What's up, hustlers? David here. You don't need a fancy office to be an entrepreneur. Let's talk about service-based businesses. Low startup costs. Leverage your skills. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. Got a knack for writing, furniture selling, domain flipping, blogging, thrift store reselling, podcasting, freelance, online course, writer, organized, virtual assistant. Ready to build something great? Let's go. Domain flipping. Buy low, sell high, profit. Domain flipping is the art of buying domain names at a low price and selling them for a profit. The key to success in domain flipping is to identify domain names that have the potential to be valuable in the future. Look for short, memorable, and brandable names that are relevant to popular industries or trends. Once you've acquired a promising domain name, you can list it for sale on domain marketplaces like GoDaddy Auctions, Namecheap, or Cedo. Next up, becoming a virtual assistant, the ultimate side hustle for all you organized hustlers out there. Every entrepreneur, every small business owner, they're all drowning in tasks. That's where you come in. Ready to take on email management, scheduling, social media, you name it. Identify your niche. Are you a social media guru? A master of organization? Invest in a professional website and create some killer marketing materials. As a virtual assistant, you're not just offering services, you're offering peace of mind. Podcasting. Find your voice, build your tribe. Podcasting connects you with a global audience, sharing your message and building a loyal community. You don't need a fancy studio. A decent microphone, basic editing software, and a platform like Anchor are enough. Find your niche, create engaging content, and promote your podcast consistently. Target audience. Pet sitting, dog walking. Get paid to hang with furry friends. Perfect side hustles for animal lovers. Platforms like Rover are your new best friend. Create a profile, highlight your experience, and set your rates. Market your services locally or online. Be reliable, trustworthy, and love animals. Plus, you get exercise and fresh air. Win-win. Thrift store reselling. One person's trash is another's treasure. Thrift store reselling is a gold mine for anyone with an eye for value. Snatch up bargains, give them TLC, and resell for profit. Use platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace to reach a wider audience. Alright, e-commerce enthusiasts, this one's for you. Dropshipping is like the magic trick of the business world. Sell products online without touching inventory. Use platforms like Shopify. Suppliers handle storage, packaging, and shipping. Focus on marketing, customer service, and your brand. No upfront inventory investment minimizes risk. Calling all creative entrepreneurs. Print on demand lets you sell unique merchandise without inventory or upfront costs. Think t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, tote bags, you name it. Platforms like Printful handle the rest. They print, package, and ship directly to your customers. You only pay when you make a sale. Low risk. The world is hungry for authenticity, for things made with love and care. Whether you're a whiz with a sewing machine, a jewelry-making maestro, or a candle-pouring pro, there's a market for your unique creations. Platforms like Etsy connect you with a global audience. Create a shop, showcase your products with stunning photography, and watch the orders roll in. Create something special that sets you apart. Alright, DIY enthusiasts, this one's for you. Furniture flipping is the perfect side hustle for anyone who loves taking something old and giving it a new lease on life. Scour thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces for hidden furniture gems. A fresh coat of paint, some new hardware, or a little reupholstering can work wonders. Once you've worked your magic, sell your refurbished treasures for a profit on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or even your own website. Calling all wordsmiths, thought leaders, and passionate souls. Blogging is your platform to share your expertise, connect with a like-minded audience, and build a thriving online business. Choose a niche that you're genuinely passionate about. This could be anything from travel and food to personal finance and technology. Platforms like WordPress offer user-friendly interfaces and affordable hosting plans. Invest in a professional-looking theme, start creating high-quality content, and watch your audience grow. Listen up, content creators, storytellers, and charismatic individuals. YouTube is your stage to share your message and build a loyal following. You don't need a fancy studio to get started. Your smartphone camera is your best friend. Invest in a decent microphone and some basic lighting. As your channel grows, so do your earning opportunities. From ad revenue to brand deals, the sky's the limit. Online courses, online tutoring. Share your knowledge, empower others. Online tutoring is a rewarding way to share your knowledge and empower students. Whether you excel in math, science, or languages, there's a student who needs your guidance. Platforms like Zoom and Skype make it easy to connect with students worldwide. The beauty of online tutoring is the flexibility it offers. Ebook publishing. Write once, earn forever. Ebook publishing lets you share your knowledge, establish authority, and create passive income. No need for a literary agent or traditional deal. Platforms like Amazon KDP make self-publishing easy. Choose a topic you're passionate about, write a high-quality book, and market it effectively. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to monetize your platform, recommend products and services you believe in, and earn commissions on every sale you drive. Partner with brands and businesses that offer affiliate programs. Promote their products or services on your website, blog, social media channels, or YouTube videos. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You get to recommend products you love, your audience benefits from your recommendations, and you earn passive income in the process. Cleaning services. Clean up. Cash in. The best ideas solve everyday problems. Everyone needs a clean space. That's where your cleaning service comes in. For under $500, you can stock up on essential supplies and start marketing locally. Target busy professionals, families, and small businesses. Everyone loves a sparkling clean house or a spotless office. All right, creative hustlers, this one's for you. Graphic design is a booming industry, and you don't need to be a Photoshop wizard to break in. There are tons of affordable design software options out there that are super user-friendly. Start by investing in a good design software package and then hit up those freelance platforms. Look for small projects like logo design, social media graphics, or even simple website banners. Showcase your creativity and build a portfolio that screams, "I'm the designer you've been looking for." Social media influencing. Build your brand. Partner with brands. Influencer marketing is booming. Brands seek authentic voices to connect with audiences. Build a strong personal brand around your passions. Create high-quality content and engage consistently. As your influence grows, so do your earnings. From sponsored posts to product endorsements, the possibilities are endless. Let's dive into freelance writing. Perfect if you love words and want a flexible lifestyle. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are essential. Create a profile, highlight your skills, and pitch for projects. Build your portfolio and get 5-star reviews. Gain experience, charge more, and scale your business. Outro. Take action and thrive. And there you have it. 20 business ideas you can start with just $500 or less. Proverbs 14:23 says, "In all toil there is profit, but mere talk tends only to poverty." So take action today, and let's make those business dreams a reality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need these ideas. Until next time, stay blessed and keep thriving.